Well, working online from home is increasingly popular in this economy, and it can be a good way to earn some extra cash, some real money. But there are lots of scam artists who want to take your money.
Jobs where you work at home, and you may be wondering, are they really legitimate?
An estimated almost 38 million people actually operate home-based businesses, and often they're more successful than other ventures. It could take a little bit of money to start. It can have very big rewards. But the question is, how do you start your own home business, and what's the secret to making it take off?
Within my first 30 days, but the numbers don't lie. I've made over $25,000 working less than I ever have before.
My first day using the software app, I made a little over $600. And by the end of my first month, I was making over $20,000 on complete autopilot. This is unreal.
Wow, congratulations. I don't know how you found this page, but since you did and you're watching this video, someone is looking out for you. In fact, they just did you a huge favor by sending you to this top secret page today, because you're just a few steps away from becoming a brand new beta tester for my revolutionary new instant income app. An automated app that makes its users an average of $656.25 per day. That's $19,687.50 per month. And an impressive $236,250 in just 1 year. But the most amazing part of this revolutionary new software app is that it allows you to make money like this every single day with complete 100% automation. In fact, you only need to use the computer for 5 to 10 minutes per day. It's so easy that you could even do it from your mobile phone if you wanted to. All you need to do is give me your undivided attention for the next few minutes, follow my simple 3-step system, and I'll let you download my instant income app today, 100% for free. If you think this sounds too good to be true, then it's not for you, because I'm about to show you my software live. You will see the raw, cash-sucking power of my software app. Unquestionable proof that once you activate my instant income app, you will make an average of $656.25 per day. But before we dive in, activate this software, and start making money, let me introduce myself. My name is Matthew Michaels, and I'm the multi-millionaire who created the game-changing Instant Income app. The Instant Income app is a powerful software app that taps into the hidden loopholes inside the financial markets all around the world, right from your fingertips. The software was created by the top programmers on Wall Street. It's the most powerful binary options trading software that exists in the world today. There's nothing else like it. Our software is so advanced that you don't need any experience or skill to make money with the Instant Income app. You can make upwards of $656.25 per day in less than 5 minutes per day at the click of your mouse. And right now, I'm looking for a brand new batch of beta testers to help me grow this software app into the next level and beyond. In other words, if you already make millions online, then this is not for you. In fact, if you already make a full-time living online, this isn't for you either, because I want to give the people who are barely making ends meet a shot at getting rich online. The truth is, you've probably already lost, and lost a lot in the past. It's no secret. The internet gurus are out there to straight up scam you, take your money, and keep you broke. All while the real internet elite is cashing in to the tunes of hundreds of thousands of dollars every single day using the Instant Income app. But they don't want you to have it. They don't want you to finally have success, because then that means you won't need to buy their scummy products anymore. Think about it. If you really knew the truth, you'd just do what's proven to make millions, and you'd stick to that until you got rich. But up until now, that has just been a fantasy. Up until finding this video, you've probably wasted thousands of dollars on countless scams, worn-out methods, and are sick and tired of spending money just to make nothing. Not today. All that crap of the past ends now, here today. You finally met an internet multimillionaire who's going to cut you a break. And here's why. Last year in Vegas, I heard a group of .com multimillionaire gurus talking in the corner of the VIP section of the Bellagio. When I went over there to pour myself another drink, I heard them laughing about their latest scam and how they think it's actually funny to take advantage of the brand new internet newbies looking to make a quick buck online. And it makes me sick. So sick that I threw my drink in the guru's face and told him he would regret it. He would regret every single person he ever took advantage of. I left the club that night, never to return again, because I now had a fire deep inside my belly like nothing before. And I wasn't just going to get even with the internet gurus for what they've done to people just like you. No, I was going to get my sweet revenge. And this video that you're watching right now is phase 1 of my master plan to overthrow the internet guru elite. I'm about to expose the internet guru's top secret instant income app that all of them had been using behind the scenes to make more money than you would even possibly believe. Money like this. Let's log on to my Bank of America account live so you can see exactly how much money this app has been quietly making me this past year. Let me click sign in real quick here for you. Now, it's going to ask me to verify my account so that the system knows I'm a real person. Now I just have to type in my passcode, and we're in. As you can see right this minute, this account has $7,437,869.43. And that's just one of my accounts. Let me show you another one of my 7-figure accounts. This is my account over at Citibank. I'll just type in my password here, and you'll be able to see how much this account has made in the past few months. Yeah, and as you can see right here, there is $2,432,475.37 in real spendable cash. What would you do with $2.4 million cash in your account? And finally, before we continue, I wanted to show you my PayPal account, which is where I like to keep a hefty 6 figures of play money. Let me type in my password here and log in. Here we go. As you can see in my PayPal account, I have $789,463.11 in real spendable cash. But I must warn you that the very moment that we fill up our new batch of beta testers, I'm closing the doors to the Instant Income app for good. And going back to the good life, where I travel the world, island hopping from one tropical paradise to the next. Going to extravagant, over-the-top parties with the most beautiful and down-to-earth people on the planet. Eating at 5-star diners every single night, buying brand new sports cars every month, or flying around the world in private jets. But you see, I wasn't always rich. Just a few short years ago, I was probably more broke than you are right now. I had mountains upon mountains of debt to the tune of over $100,000. Bill collectors hounding my phone day and night. I had my car repossessed. I had my house foreclosed on. I hit rock bottom with nothing left. But then I stumbled upon a website just like this one, just like you, right now, and I had my big breakthrough. I was granted the opportunity of a lifetime. It was a blessing, and I didn't know what to do when I first saw it, but I said yes. And from that day forward, I started making between $656.25 and $3,523.21 per day. By the end of that year, I'd become a millionaire, and I now have access to millions of dollars. Just look at my bank account. And right now, I'm allowing a select few individual beta testers 100% free access to the Instant Income app. This is your shot, the same shot I had just a few years ago. Your shot to quit your day job, pay off your mortgage, pay off your car loan, and never have to worry about paying another bill. Ever. This is your shot to buy anything you've ever wanted. Buy the Ferrari. Buy the yacht. Buy the beachfront mansion you've always wanted. You deserve it. And with 7 figures sitting in your bank account, you'll easily be able to afford anything you want without flinching, without even a second thought. It doesn't even matter what it is that you want, because you'll be able to afford anything. The Instant Income app will give you enough money for absolutely anything you've ever wanted. Are you ready to become a beta tester? Great! Now, before we get started making you rich, I need to let you in on why exactly I'm doing this. It's not because I feel bad for you. It's not because I need a tax write-off. And it's not because of charity. I'm doing this for one incredibly selfish reason. Revenge. Remember when I told you how I heard a group of internet guru scammers laughing at their victims in the corner of the Bellagio one night in Vegas? Well, I threw my drink in their faces that night. I was pissed. I was literally sick to my stomach. And from that moment forward, I swore I would get my revenge on the gurus for when they scammed me when I first got started online. I had something up my sleeve. I had learned all of their secrets over the years. The secrets of how they really make money. I had their secret app, the Instant Income app, the very same app that they all use to fund their lavish lifestyles behind the scenes, while they publicly sold you rehashed ebooks, fake push-button softwares, and the latest scam of the week. When I found out how this was going on and that the internet guru scammers actually thought this was funny, I decided to get even with those bastards. I decided that I would release their highly secretive and highly profitable instant income app to the public. And to really piss them off, I'm releasing it here today for completely 100% free. That's right, you won't have to pay a single penny to use the exact same software app used by myself and countless other .com millionaires. The very same app that the gurus have kept hidden from you for so many years. The very same app that the gurus have paid hundreds of thousands of dollars to have deployed by the best programmers on Wall Street. Today is your chance to get even, to finally cash in like the gurus. Consider yourself lucky that you've landed on this webpage, because whoever sent it to you has done you a serious favor. This page is not meant for the general public. This page is top secret due to the nature of this software and the true cash-generating power that it wields. Because on the other side of this page lays waiting the most powerful money-generating system that exists in the world today. And no one has access to it. Yet. It doesn't matter how much experience you have. In fact, it's better if you have none at all. This software works best with complete newbies, because the Instant Income app only does one thing: make its users ridiculous amounts of money. This is the most simple and easy-to-use automated trading software in existence today. Let me show you live how the Instant Income app makes you money in as fast as 60 seconds. Okay, here I am, logged into my brand new Instant Income app member area, and as you can see, I have already funded my account with $300 to start trading with it. Now, I want you to watch very closely what we do here, because the software is gonna make me money automatically. I'm gonna double this, maybe even triple this money in just a few short minutes. And the best part is the Instant Income app works on 100% autopilot. So all I really have to do is click on a few buttons here and there, sit back, relax, and watch the software app go to work on my behalf and start multiplying my money. I can't wait to see how much money we're going to make today from a tiny $300 investment. I know you must be excited to see the software in action right now, so let's do it. The first thing we must do in order to use the Instant Income app is to turn it on. To do this, we must click on the Activate button. Make sure it turns green, and once it is, you're ready to start earning. Next, you must select the amount of money you would like to place on a trade. And because I'm so confident in this software, I'm going to place a trade for $100. As you can see, the software has automatically placed a trade. Now, our job is done. All we have to do is hang out and wait for about 60 seconds and see how much money we made. Wow, and there it is, just as the software predicted. We just turned $300 into $370, which is $70 in profit, in less than 60 seconds. As you can also see in the statistics, we have 1 winning trade and 0 losses. Now that we're in the money, let's place another trade, huh? This time, I'm going to place the trade for $150 and see how much money we can make from this one. Okay. The trade has been placed. Now we have to wait another 60 seconds and see how much profit we've made. Okay, it's been over a minute now, so we'll refresh the page here and see if we've made any money. Aha! And there it is again. We just turned our $370 balance into $475. That's another $105 in pure profit in less than 60 seconds, just as the software predicted. You just witnessed me use the Instant Income app to make money right before your eyes. And as you can see, you don't need any previous experience or trading knowledge whatsoever. But the best part is that I can easily replicate this exact same result hundreds of times per day. There's no limit to how much money you can make. But if you don't believe me, that's okay, because it's not just me that is making money from this software app. In order to make sure the Instant Income app can deliver on what I promise, I wanted to test its power on someone completely brand new to the system. Someone who had never even heard of binary options trading before, much less used any kind of software. I didn't want this person to make some money. I wanted them to get rich. I wanted them to make more money than they ever have in their entire life before. I wanted them to see more cash being deposited directly into their bank account than they knew what to do with. So, I sent out an email to my list of subscribers asking them to reply back if they've never made any money online before and would be willing to become a new beta tester for the Instant Income app. And while the response was overwhelming, I was only able to take 3 initial beta testers on board in order to make sure the system makes as much money for them as it does for me. I gave them full access to the Instant Income app with 3 simple steps to complete. Step number 1. Do exactly as the Instant Income app says and place trades on exactly what it tells you to for the next 30 days. Step number 2. Document every single trade you make on video for your next 30 days using the system and show us exactly how much money you've made. Step number 3. Go celebrate and buy something you've always wanted with the new money you've made from the software app. And the results? Well, the results were shocking. I couldn't believe my eyes. I thought for sure that my beta testers would make money. That's why when I saw them making thousands of dollars their very first days, I was in total disbelief. But the numbers didn't lie. I checked myself and verified their accounts, and there it was. Cold, hard cash in the thousands, just pummeling their bank accounts over and over again. Most of them were in disbelief too. That is, until they refreshed their bank account and watched their balance go up, over and over again. Let's hear from them now.
Hey Matthew, I just wanted to say thank you so much for allowing me to beta test the Instant Income app. It's truly been an amazing experience. I'll admit I didn't even believe you at first when you said I'll be able to replace my normal 9 to 5 jobs income within my first 30 days, but the numbers don't lie. I've made over $25,000 working less than I ever have before, and I think it's time to finally take that vacation to Bora Bora that I've always wanted to. So thank you so much.
You know, after trying to make money online for years and literally spending thousands of dollars on worthless products, I finally lucked out and found the Instant Income app. I just couldn't believe that Matthew was giving it away for free. But once I found out he was doing it to get back at the scamming gurus, I knew this was my big ticket to getting rich. My first day using the software app, I made a little over $600. And by the end of my first month, I was making over $20,000 on complete autopilot. This is unreal. Thanks, Matthew.
Hey, Matthew. What's going on, dude? I really just wanted to thank you from the bottom of my heart for making this Instant Income app. You know, I have been blown away. I've been telling all my friends and family about it, and I wanted to make this video because I want to let everyone else know about it, dude. I am well on my way to making my first $1 million, and at this rate, I'm thinking I'm going to hit $6 million by the end of the year. I could not thank you enough, dude. This has been a godsend for me and my family, and I am absolutely just ecstatic by how much money that I am making with this Instant Income app that you made. Dude, like, honestly, man, you are just really awesome. The product is really awesome, and if anybody else out there is watching this right now, you need to get on this, because I do not know how long he's going to keep this on the market. It's just making me so much money. It's making a lot of other people I know money, so definitely check it out. It is really the real deal. So, once again, Matthew, thank you very much.
Now, I want to warn you that what you're about to get access to needs to have a big disclaimer. This software is so powerful that it could be used for evil if it gets into the wrong hands. That's why I always carefully select my beta testers. That means I will only give you access to my system if you promise to use it for good. Do we have a deal? Because right now, you have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get in on the world's most powerful free money-generating software app. This is your chance to get rich. It doesn't matter if you don't know what binary options are, or if you've never placed a trade before. As long as you can follow our simple 3-step system and click your mouse when I tell you to, you can make lots of money with this. You could have $656.25 in your account by tonight. But again, I'm only leaving this open to beta testers a short while longer. In fact, once the queue fills up, I'm closing this site down for good, and you will lose your chance to get access. You'll be passed by, and your spot will be given to the next person in the queue. Once the gurus find out that I've literally given away their secret software app, it won't be long before they try to shut me down. I can only guarantee you access if you act right now. It's imperative that you take fast and furious action if you want this. By entering your email below this video, you are saying yes. You are taking the first step into becoming an internet millionaire, and you are accepting my very generous 100% free beta tester position for the Instant Income app. Here's what you will get when you enter your email. Instant access to the world's most powerful and top secret binary trades automated software app, designed by the most advanced Wall Street programmers in the world, with real-time notifications that will pay you over and over again for the rest of your life. You'll also get full access to the software and any and all future upgrades without any ongoing maintenance fees or anything like that. A combination of short-term signals for fast profits and long-term signals for enhanced efficiency. 24/7 around-the-clock support from our team of highly skilled professionals who will walk you through anything you need help with. As I just mentioned a moment ago, I am giving you access to my Instant Income app for 100% free. You will not pay a dime to download this. I don't want or need your money. Welcome to the new breed of .com millionaires that makes MLM and internet marketing money laughable. This has 100 times more earning potential with less competition in the marketplace because no one has my Instant Income app yet. And once you get instant access to it, you'll never have to worry about where money comes from again. This software is incredibly consistent and dependable for regular profits, but it also allows you to bring in surges of massive cash deposits into your bank account at will. Well, once you activate it, that is. You are about to become rich for doing nothing. You are going to become rich for literally just having the smarts to watch this entire video right now and act on it. And for free. I want you to just stop and think about that for a moment. Because as unreal as this may seem, this is very real. You saw the results it provided for my first round of beta testers. You know for a fact that they did it. And when you get in on this today and download the app, you really will be making $656.25 per day. I'll even make you a ridiculous guarantee. A guarantee so powerful that you'll know how serious I really am. After you access my system and activate it, you will begin to make $656.25 per day. And if you don't, I will personally get on Skype with you and work with you one-on-one until you do. Yes, I will make you rich for free. But wait, I need to tell you something that is extremely important. And this next piece of information is why most people screw up and stay broke forever. So pay attention. After this, I'm ready to let you download the Instant Income app for free. Are you ready? Because here it is. The reason I'm going to let you download the beta test and use my Instant Income app for free is because I want my revenge against the internet gurus that have scammed so many people just like you. I want as many people as possible to get in before they discover this website and shut it down. There's no way that this can last for very long. But once you download the app, there is nothing they can do. Once you download it, it's yours. The gurus are getting scared. They've already heard about this video through the forums and black hat threads elsewhere online. There isn't much time left. They know that I'm one of the good guys, and they know if I get this into enough people's hands, it's going to put them out of business for good. You arrived on this page at just the right time. But there is no more time to waste. You must act now. You must get instant access to this system before it's gone. You must use my system to make $656.25 per day, or I will be forced to walk you through it until you do. When you enter your email below this video, you'll be taken to the download area where you will get instant access to the software app. There will be another video there and further instructions. It's imperative that you watch this video and do exactly what it says. If you do not do this, you'll not make any amount of money. It all starts with you entering your email below this video and getting instant access to the download area. Your free Instant Income app is waiting for you on the other side of this page. You could be earning over $656.25 per day by the end of the night. You could be cashing in bigger, faster, and more predictably than you ever have before in your life. The only question is, will you do it? Enter your email now, and I'll see you in the next video on the download page.